Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I've started rewiring a 3-bedroom house. So I've been here since this morning and I couldn't do a video earlier on. So since then I've managed to do a bit of work here. I've isolated the electric. So this is the hallway we're in. And this is where the consumer unit is, or the incoming electric. So I've isolated the electric and kept one socket alive for the builders to use and to charge the batteries and so on. Anyway, so this is one of the living room, which is going to be turned into a bedroom, and this is the plan that I've got. So I was given a plan of where things are going, so I'm working basically following the plan. And so what we're going to do is we're going to be putting a socket on that side of the room where the chimney is. You can't really see it because all that stuff on the chimney. The house has been taken to bare brick, so which is a lot easier for us to get the wires in with the trunking. And there's going to be another socket here, so which I'm going to be coming around, taking all this out, take all the old wires out. I've already done that upstairs and also in the kitchen since this morning. So this is the second living room, and this is going to be a dining room, I believe. And I'll be taking this socket out and replacing it with the new wires and also new sockets. So there's going to be one there. There's going to be another one on this side here, and there's going to be another socket somewhere around here. So I've got the plan out. I'm going to have to look at it. And this wall here, they've already battened it out, so I'll be putting 2 double sockets on either side, and also a TV aerial socket there. In the ceiling, I'll be putting a couple of spotlights. The ceiling, the plasterboard's been ripped out, so it's a lot easier to run the cable. So I think this is going to be a quick one for us. And so this is the kitchen we're in now. And since this morning I've managed to take all the old cable out and just started bringing I've bought the new ring in for the kitchen. So we're having a separate ring for the kitchen. I've already chiseled out the wall where the wires are going to come in. There's going to be a cooker socket, and there's going to be 2 double sockets there and a cooker socket, and also a switch for the LED light under the units. Wall units. There's going to be 2 double socket here as well, and in the middle we're going to have the cooker outlets, so it's going to come off the socket over there, which is going to feed it to there. And on the top we're going to have extractor fan feed, but that's going to be the switch for the isolator for the extractor fan. So I've already put the ring in from where the consumer unit is going. So there's going to be another socket here, which I'm looking to come in here and then go up and then come round here. And then I've already fed the wire to the ceiling, brought it in, and I'm going to have a little feed here for the boiler. And here on this side I've already put a double socket in the back box, and these 2 single 13 amp fuse pair I'm going to be putting here. As I say, this one of them is going to be for the outside security lights, and another one for a light outside, you know, if they want to sit outside with a light. And it just goes up, and then that'll come here. Over here, as I say, we've already channeled it out, and we're going to have another socket here because that's where the fridge freezer is going to go on that side. Also in the ceiling we're going to be putting about 6 spotlights. So we're going to be say in a bit I'm going to put all the wires in, and I'm going to put the back boxes in and get all that done today by the end of today. I say this is the day 1. And also I've managed to run a ring for the bedrooms upstairs. So this is the landing upstairs. And so far I've done a socket here. I put a socket feed here. Again, it's a new ring, so another one over there. There's going to be another one over there. There's got about 4 sockets in this room, and this is where the plasterboard is going to go. So there's another socket that's going here, so I left the feed here. And in the ceiling we're going to be putting about 4 spotlights in the ceiling. I'm going to have this somewhere here. There's going to be a switch, and this is where the landing is. So I'll be putting an interlink smoke alarm and also a sensor light in there. So say we've been taking all this old wires out. There was a lot of wires, I think, from previously. They've never bothered taking them out. So here I've managed to get the socket in. So you socket the back box and the wires in, and there's 2 on that side. And I'm going to be putting a TV socket here somewhere. Also, this is where the little toilet's going to go. So it's going to be an ensuite, and this is going to have an electric shower here. So I've already got the feed for the shower. I've got the feed for the switch, so it's all here. So just waiting for the plasterboard to go in. There's going to be a couple of spotlights in the ceiling here. As I say, it's going to be IP rated, and also a fan on a timer. And in this ceiling we'll be putting 7 spotlights, so 6 here and 1 just by the door. So 7 LED spotlights going to go here. Again, this room here we've just been before. This is the toilet for this room. So ensuite again, and it's going to have a couple of spotlights in the ceiling. And this is going to have a bath shower, so I don't have to run any cable for the shower. Also I'll be putting a extractor fan on that wall over there with the isolator. And behind this one, through here, we're going to have another sensor light on a timer, and there's going to be another little toilet here where the shower's going over there. Again, there'll be LED spotlights, IP rated, and I'm going to put another fan on that wall as well with the isolator. And, I came in earlier this morning, and since then I managed to get a bit of work done. I've isolated most of the electric in the property, and we took a lot of old wires out, and we started lifting some floorboards. We had to change some walls and so on. So the house itself, they've took it to bare brick, so it's a lot easier to run the cables. And what we've done here so far, this is the kitchen, and I'll say this is the day 1. So we've come here this morning. We've managed to chase the wall, because I'm doing a separate ring for the kitchen, and also running a new cooker cable as well. So this is the socket that's going here, a ring basically. So it goes in there and then comes out, and then going into, there's 2 double socket and also a 13 amp isolator here. That's for to power the under the cupboard lights, LED lights. And then it actually goes up, and then we've got another socket just above the ceiling. There's a little landing there, so doing a double socket there, and it comes back through the ceiling, and we're going to drop it here. So it's within the wiring regulation. So also there's going to be a double socket here, and also 2 double sockets. There's going to be a cooker socket, and that's basically to feed the cooker outlet over there. And there's going to be another isolator for the extractor fan over there. So that's going to be a 13 amp fuse pair. Also on this side I've got the boiler, so I'm going to leave a feed for the boiler, and then the ring will carry on coming down here, and there's going to be two 13 amp isolators here, the fuse spares, where both of them for the outside lights, and there's one of them's going to be a security light, the sensor light, and the other one's going to be a light, just a normal light. And the ring comes in, there's feeds this socket here, that's for the washing machine, and then it goes back up, and then we had to bring it down here, chase the wall here, and that's going to be another socket, double socket here. So I think we've done enough for today. Getting late and it's really warm as well. It's about nearly 30 today, so time to go home. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. Hopefully I'll be doing another video tomorrow, day 2 rewiring.